Hi there, students. Domain. Domain. Notice the pronunciation, domain, there's no S. Okay, a domain is a countable noun. Let's see, historically this is the land round a manor house, which is for the private use of the lord who lives in the manor. It's not the land that is used by the peasants, which he still owns as well, or the farm workers. His domain is his own private area of land, probably round his manor house, which is for his own use. Yeah. So the fields enclosed round the castle were the lord's domain. Okay, so that's pretty technical, but let's see. You can use this word to talk about a place where somebody has control, or an activity where somebody has authority. Yeah? If you notice, the pronunciation of this word is just like domain, D-O-M-A-I-N. Yeah, and effectively it's just a posh literary word to say domain, or bailiwick, which is a video I made the other day. Okay, so yeah, this piece of garden is my daughter's domain. Yeah, it's where she has control, where she has authority. Yeah, this matter is the domain of the legal department. This is nothing to do with sales. Okay, so the area of influence, the area that someone has authority over. You can also use this word domain legally, talking about property that you own, outright, that you don't have a mortgage on it. It's your own real possession. But here it's land that you have possession of. It's your own. Okay. So, domain, yeah, your domain. The area of responsibility, yeah, the things that you are responsible for. But notice, this is a pretty formal word. Yeah, let's see. Domain, formality. With this spelling, I'm going to give it a 7.5 in formality. Use it only in a semi-formal writing in a literary context or something like that. I think more informally, domain, D-O-M-A-I-N, would sound much better, or just area of influence, area of responsibility, yeah, or just land. Then as to origin, it comes from French, from the word meaning domain, which itself comes from Latin, Dominicus, belonging to the master, dominus, master, so of the master, and this is the idea of domain. Okay, so the land round a manor house, somebody's the domain of the lord. Yeah, this forest is the king's domain. Okay, area for his own private personal use. But then you can also use it formally, literally, to talk about an area of responsibility. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Domain.